Hello everyone, welcome to Trending India Products. Today I'm going to unbox WildHorn Tan Leather Men's Wallet, which is a tri-folded guys. First time I'm gonna try tri-folded. Before and all I use only two fold. Okay, let's quickly unbox this and check the product as much as possible. It is very easy to unbox guys within 30 seconds. Okay, here there is a card. Okay, they are challenging us guys. If we find it is a duplicate leather, they are gonna give us 100 times the money we paid. Oh, I think because of that challenge, we can simply believe this that it is 100% pure leather. Okay, let's take the main piece, wallet, and see how much quality it has got. Okay, feels very quality, guys, by touching it. And here they have given some credit card slot which is transparent, and here as well. But two slots are there, but not exactly we can use two slots for credit card. Only one card we can keep. The other maybe for visiting cards. I don't know. As you can see, it is a tri-folded guys, which gives us more space for the notes and something else. That is why I bought this time. Let me use it and see how it is. And here also they have provided two slots. Two compartments has been given for to keep the notes. Quality wise it is very awesome guys. I felt it is a premium leather. Smell is also very good. I like the smell of this product. Even they have given the low embossed wild horn here, and some embossed notes over there, and the embossed logo on the top of the wallet. I give double thumbs up for this wallet guys, in terms of quality. Now I'm gonna insert some cash in here guys. We'll see how it goes inside and how neat it will be. So I'm gonna keep 200 note. Oh my god, look at this guys, how lengthier it is. Oh, very nice. And look at this, and you have a lot of space here so that normal wallets, no, see my wallet is normal, the previous wallet is this one. As you can see, this was up to here only. So when I keep notes, it come out guys, so that notes will tone sometimes. But here in this case, as you can see, now I'm gonna insert 100 notes as well. See how it looks, very simple. And now I'm gonna I also have these 50 rupees notes, 20 rupees notes. I'm gonna place like this in the other compartment. See, we have a lot of place. Actually we can keep like this also if you want, and aside so that it won't fold in a different way. So this is empty. So now let me insert the cards guys. Yes, it is a debit card. Fine. Other debit card. Little tighter, but it is moving. But not possible. Probably became a little tighter, guys. If I use the other card here, let me try here. Yes, one slot is definitely inserting, and this one I think we cannot able to try. Let me try here also. Yes, it is going in, but when we use same compartment for two cards. Okay, here it is going, but a little bit tighter. I don't recommend because cards will spoil. So anyway, we have a lot of compartments here, so here, and also let us see by inserting here. There is also another slot here. Yes, always top slot is going in. Even though we have a card here, but it is also going in, and we will check now by inserting a card here. Okay, here it is okay, guys. This is okay. Two cards you can easily fit in here, and yeah, I have other cards also with me. Let me check that by keeping them. Okay, some cards have a cover. So what if we have a cover? I will also give you an idea. See, I have a SBI card with this cover, so I'm going to insert here. Yes, obviously the cover will not, I don't suggest to keep it with cover because it compresses. It is exact size for the card, but they should have given little more space here so that it would have been good. It would have been good if they given some space here to keep a little bit with free size and all. That is what I felt. And here also we have a compartment, same. No, not for the, and let me try inserting this. Yes, it is possible. Okay, that's it, guys. And also we have some pocket here. We can keep coins if you want, because we can simply enlarge like this. That's it, guys. And for this review of the wallet and all, feels so premium. I really, I give double thumbs up. I give double thumbs up for the quality of this wallet, but just like for the this there is no much gap provided for the cards. That's it, and I provided the link in description. I bought this in Amazon, guys. If you have any doubt regarding this first, please give a comment.
I got this wallet for 399 rupees, guys. I think for the black they have priced around 299 rupees. I chose tan color because I don't have this color before. I use all the time black color, so this time I chose this color.